Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today in this video, we'll check out this. This is going to be do-it-yourself video. I'll show you how you can install these side moldings yourself if you want to. You can get them at my mrmitsubishi.ca website. I ship to Canada, US, New Zealand, basically anywhere. So when it comes to a white diamond PHEV, we kind of have four options what we can do. We can dress up the PHEV with these white diamond color magic Outlander side moldings, or black diamond is a very, very popular choice, or because this is a PHEV, we can go with PHEV letters, and same thing right here with these black diamond PHEV letters. Now, it's gonna give you, of course, different looks, because if you go with body color, then it'll be more subtle. You're not gonna notice them as much. If you go with black, it'll give you lots of contrast. It'll contrast nicely, go together with all the black elements on this car. So right now, we'll do a little bit thinking what is going to go the best in this particular case, and then we'll proceed to install. After a careful consideration, this is what we chose. We're going to do white diamond, so it's going to be body colored matched, and we'll have this Outlander lettering. The reason for that this time around was because the vehicle has lots of good, tasty chrome ornament around the windows. This EV badge right here is chrome, and of course the dynamic shield is chrome. And also after we do this, those are going to be different videos, but we're going to do Outlander hood emblem install in chrome, and we're going to also do the bumper protector plate in chrome. We're also going to do the door sills, which also going to be chrome. So we're going to keep this chrome, and let's get to it right now. Do it yourself. You can do it as well. Let's get going. Few things to consider. Now, first and foremost, when you do this side mold install, please don't rush. Take your time, not a competition, anything like that. The other thing is you gotta have the surface clean, so which I already cleaned it, do like with the glass cleaner, any type of degreaser that'll clean all the dust and grease what might be on the vehicle. And then the other part is if you're doing it in the summertime, don't do it when the metal is hot. So you gotta have warm temperature. So if it's summertime and it's very, very hot, just do it in the shade. Don't do it like, you know, in the direct sunlight. So this video, we are filming in the direct sunlight, but the vehicle was left in the shade to cool off. And for the time of video, for better light exposure, I'm doing it in the sun. But typically you want to do it somewhere in your garage in the shade, so it's not, you know, very, very warm. Otherwise it'll be very, very sticky, and you know, if you make a little mistake, you'll glue right away and it'll be hard to peel it off. So you do need masking tape, and that's about it. So again, follow steps in this video, take your masking tape, take your time, and you'll do great. Okay, now what we do is first we want to always line up to where we want that side molding to sit, and I always put it right above this side line right here, and then we position it in exactly the spot we want it to be. This is where we use the masking tape to tape it, so it stays exactly the same place. Now, again, super important, don't rush. Take your time, position it where you want to be. Once you've done that, step back a little bit just to make sure you have everything in the right position. If you're not happy, realign it. I'm happy what I see right now. And now, very easy. We flip it over. Take this tape off. And flip it back. There we go. Very gentle, don't rush. Okay, there we go. I wouldn't press a lot right away. After it's all done, then you just take your fiberglass or something, and then you can clean it, press it a little bit more. Give it always, you know, 2-3 days to harden up real good, and then you can go through car washes and everything else. Okay, so now this we can reuse on the other door or use the new tapes, it doesn't matter. And now we do the same thing with this chrome strip. So we put it where we want to be. It always sits on top of the molding. Okay, it's positioned nicely. This one's a little bit trickier because now that you found your spot where it has to sit, you have to peel it off and then sort of like put it again on top of the molding. This is where you don't rush. Position it like this. Okay, we're happy. And then go over like this. There we go. Okay, perfect. Again, we touch it a little bit, nothing too crazy. Okay, driver's door is done. Now let's proceed to passenger door. And the passenger door is going to be just slightly trickier. The reason for that is we do have this Outlander lettering, and each individual letter is put in there like this. So we have to peel off every individual letter. So, but the steps are exactly the same. So first we place it exactly where we want it to be. Okay. We're happy where it is. Now we flip it back, and now we have to peel off Outlander and the red tape as well. So I always start with peeling off letters, because if you peel off this big thing first and then you start to peel off letters, everything around it is sticky. So one of my, few of my first videos that I did on this install, I made a mistake where I peeled the big sticker first, and it was not very, very convenient. So this way is much easier. We just go one by one, and once it's done, we peel off the big sticker. Okay, that's done. And now we do the sticker. And we do it gently so we don't rip any letters out, they don't fall on the ground. Flip it over. Same thing like on that, just press it gently. And we do have this protective film right here, so we can one by one individually press on these letters as well. And once it's done, then we remove it. And then a beautiful chrome shines out. And now we do the same thing with the chrome line. So first we place it where it's gotta be. We make sure we're 100% happy with what we see. And there we go. Awesome. Excellent, there we go. And now let's just step back a little bit just to enjoy the end result here. I think it looks absolutely cool. What I really like about it, we have this nice chrome right here going on around the windows and everything else, and we have this chrome line, Outlander chrome lettering as well, and plus it's body colored match, so it looks very classy, very good with this GT Premium, because this one has the two-tone interior. This is fully loaded top of the line version, and after we put some more chrome accessories, I think it'll look absolutely stunning. So right now I'll proceed to install everything on the other side. If you want to do something like that for your Outlander or PHEV, just go to mrmitsubishi.ca. It's my website. You can purchase a set for you. I'll ship it to you, no cost, anywhere, Canada, US, all the other parts of the world as well. So thank you so much for checking out this do-it-yourself video. I hope you liked it. Enjoy your install whenever the time comes, and see you next time around.